Hi everyone, welcome to Comfort Life channel. I am very happy to see you here today, and today I am here with another package from Plant Therapy Essential Oils. It's not that big as the one I have showed you before, but it's actually a very precious one. So as always, they're sending you some stickers. Oh, I love this sticker this time. They're very cute. If you could use them or save them, again, could give it to your kids. My kid loves playing with stickers. So the oils I have here, I wanted to order them for a long time. As you know, you can't really get everything you want at once because it's pricey. So the first one I have here is patchouli. I love patchouli, and it has tons of great, health benefits for you. And another reason I love it, because I'm into DIY skincare, recipes and products, and patchouli is great for your skin. So if you're interested in me making a video about patchouli or any other oil I have here today, I will be happy to do so. And two more oils, that's it. This is it for this package I have here. It's also the ones I wanted for a while. I didn't order them in larger sizes because I want to try them out. So it's new for me. So I didn't want to order larger size at once. And the one right here is ylang-ylang, and it's organic, so I decided to go with the organic option. This isn't a kid safe or essential oil, which is important to know because not all of them are. Let's say this one is, and this one is not. So I normally believe if you use it in a blend, in a diffuser, not really like just in front of your baby, that's fine. But as far as skincare products you want to make on your own for the baby, you shouldn't use it. So I've ordered to try this out. It's because of its calming and uplifting effect. So I will definitely, if you're interested, let you know how I like it. And the one right here is vetiver. I wanted to order this oil for a long time, also because of its soothing properties. It really is known for deep relaxation, if you diffuse it. So I believe I would be in love with this one. And here I just wanted to show you, because I have collected just a few of the oils. I am storing him in this great case. It's wood. I got it on Amazon. I'm not being paid by the company, and I just wanted to show you. I like it because only the small bottles can fit in here, although this one, the big one, I would have to store at some other place. But the reason I love it is it's not really organized, but normally I organize it. And you could also put the roll-on bottles right here. And one more thing I really love about Plant Therapy Essential Oils is that they have a sticker right on top here. Some, companies, they don't, and these usually comes with a sticker, so you have to put it on your own. So that's extra job, and that's I'm not really a fan of it. So this makes your life so much easier. And if you're interested to know which oils I already have, maybe my experience with them, I would definitely can make a video about that as well. So if you're interested, just let me know. I would just put these two in here for now and get back to them a little later. Thank you so much for watching this video. I wish you guys to stay very happy, very healthy. I hope you like my videos where I'm showing you now what I am receiving in mail and just sharing a little bit information. Thanks again, all the best, and I'll see you later.